Imagine one day you look up at the night sky and see Mars or Saturn where the moon should be. It would look like an alien world to our Earth, and it wouldn't just create a new view. How would that change Earth's orbit? Which planet would be the safest? And which planet would be the most dangerous? So, what would happen if another planet replaced our moon? First, let's give the moon a big thank you because it has played a vital role in weather, ocean currents, and much more. The moon helps keep the Earth stable. If we remove the moon, it would wobble all over the Earth, and that would cause an unprecedented change in the climate, which would be devastating for us. But we wouldn't just give the moon a day off. We'd replace it with another object in our solar system. So, what would happen if we replaced our moon with a planet that was 41 times its size? Before we get to the dramatic part, let's talk about Pluto. Pluto won't be much different from our moon. It's smaller, but it won't be good for Earth, because Pluto's gravitational pull will be weaker than the moon's. The Earth will start to wobble everywhere, and this will cause dramatic climate changes, bringing all kinds of natural disasters. The moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the tides in the ocean. Since Pluto is smaller than our moon, our tides will be weaker, which will destroy our ecosystem. Well, let's consider a planet slightly larger than our moon. Mercury will look exactly like our moon, dark gray and cratered by asteroids. And it's only 1.5 times the size, so it won't have much of an impact or disaster on our tides and climate. Of all the planets in our solar system, Mercury would be pretty safe for us. But Mars is a different story. Having the red planet in our night sky would be quite a sight. All the iron oxide on it would turn red. The white moonlight wouldn't come through your window at night. Instead, everything would look a strange red. Mars's strong gravitational pull would continue to cause small tsunamis, but they would be much larger than normal waves. And since Mars would be able to generate strong tidal forces, the Earth's rotation would slow down. The days on Earth would be longer. I hope we're still working a 40-hour week, because with only 1 hour of work a day, it's not a good idea. With Venus in our night sky, we'd never experience darkness. Venus is the brightest planet in our solar system. It would reflect 60% more light than the moon. And because it is 3.5 times the size of the moon, it will force Earth into a binary system. Earth and Venus will orbit each other. It will be beautiful to look at, but it will be disastrous. Simulations of binary systems show that they usually end up colliding or merging. Neptune and Uranus are both icy planets and are similar in size. A large portion of our sky will be occupied by a blue and a green planet, respectively. Uranus alone will emit a terrible stench. It is no wonder that this foul-smelling planet has such a name. Since Uranus and Neptune are both 14 and 15 times the size of the moon, the effect on Earth's rotation and tides will be terrible. Saturn, seen in the night sky, will be a strange beauty. Its pale yellow color and ring system will be stunning. However, there will be some complications. Because Saturn is so large, Earth will quickly become its moon. And if Earth orbited Saturn, the world we know today wouldn't be so simple. Finally, moving on to the big one, Jupiter, 41 times the size of the Moon. You wouldn't even be able to see the north and south poles of this gas giant. Like Saturn, Earth would become a moon of Jupiter. Not only that, since Jupiter is so huge, its powerful gravitational pull would tear the Earth apart. This would distort the shape of the Earth. There would be volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. Jupiter's gravitational pull would tear the Earth apart. So, enjoy the scene, but don't even think about enjoying it, and neither would I. Subscribe to the channel to get videos like this.